Hey there, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered how forces and motion shape the world around us? From a basketball bouncing to a rocket launching into space. In today's video, we're diving into physics with 5 unique science fair project ideas that will impress your teachers and classmates. Let's get started. For our first experiment, we're building a miniature maglev train. Maglev stands for magnetic levitation, using magnets to make our train float above a track. Opposite poles of a magnet attract, and like poles repel. We use this repulsion to lift our train off the track, reducing friction. For our DIY maglev train, you'll need strong magnets, a track like a wooden ruler, and materials to build the train car. Arrange the magnets on your train and the track so they repel each other, creating the levitation effect. Experiment with the placement and strength of the magnets to get it just right. Once you see that train hovering, it's totally worth it. This isn't just a cool trick. Maglev technology is used to build super-fast trains that can travel over 300 miles per hour. By building your own miniature maglev train, you're exploring the future of transportation. How cool is that? Next, we're building a balloon-powered car. This fun and educational project is perfect for learning about physics and engineering. This classic experiment demonstrates Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It's a fundamental principle that helps us understand how forces work. When you blow up a balloon and let it go, the air rushes out the back, propelling the balloon forward, just like rockets. This is a simple yet powerful demonstration of action and reaction forces. To build your balloon-powered car, you'll need a plastic bottle, which will serve as the main body of your car. Straws, a balloon, tape, and some creativity to put it all together. And wheels, like bottle caps or Lego wheels. These will help your car move smoothly across the floor. Create a chassis for your car using the plastic bottle and attach the wheels securely. Make sure everything is balanced. Attach the straw to the balloon with tape, ensuring no air leaks, and thread the straw through a hole in the car's chassis. This will be the propulsion system for your car. Inflate the balloon through the straw, hold it closed, and let go to watch your car zoom. It's amazing to see how far and fast it can go. Experiment with different balloon sizes, straw lengths, and even different types of wheels, and car designs to see how they affect speed and distance. This is a great way to learn about variables and scientific testing. Host a balloon-powered car race with friends and family. It's a fun and competitive way to test your designs. This simple yet powerful experiment teaches you about Newton's third law and rocket propulsion. It's a foundational concept in physics. Who knows? Maybe this will inspire you to build your own rocket someday. The sky's the limit when it comes to learning and creativity. Our next experiment is the classic egg drop. This fun and educational challenge is perfect for understanding some fundamental principles of physics. The goal is to design a contraption that protects a raw egg from breaking when dropped. You'll need to get creative and think outside the box. This experiment is about understanding inertia and impact absorption. It's a hands-on way to see these concepts in action. Inertia is an object's tendency to resist changes in motion. It's why a moving car doesn't stop immediately when you hit the brakes. When the egg is dropped, it wants to keep moving downwards, even when it hits the ground. This is where your protective design comes into play. Your mission is to design a structure that absorbs the impact and slows the egg's descent. You'll need raw eggs, cardboard, straws, bubble wrap, and other cushioning materials. Packing peanuts, tape, scissors, and other materials can also be useful. Gather everything you think might help protect your egg. Think about different ways to cushion the egg and distribute the force of the impact. Create a parachute, a cushion, a suspension system, or even a combination of designs. Experiment with different ideas and see which one works best. Sometimes combining multiple designs can provide the best protection. Find a safe place to drop your egg from and let it rip. Observe how your design performs and take notes. If your egg doesn't survive the first drop, observe what happened, make adjustments, and try again. Learning from failure is part of the process. This experiment has real-life applications. Engineers use these principles to design safety equipment. Like helmets and airbags. These devices protect us by absorbing impact forces. By building an egg drop contraption, you're learning about the science that keeps us safe every day. How cool is that? So get creative and have fun with this challenge. Ready for some physics magic? We're going to defy gravity and spin a bucket full of water without spilling a drop. This experiment uses centripetal force, the inward force that keeps an object moving in a circular path. When you swing a ball on a string, the string provides the centripetal force that keeps the ball from flying off. In this experiment, the bucket provides the centripetal force that keeps the water from spilling out. You'll need a bucket with a sturdy handle and some water. Fill the bucket about 3/4 full. Start swinging the bucket in a smooth, circular motion, gradually increasing the speed. Once you've got enough speed, the centripetal force will keep the water inside the bucket, even when it's upside down. This simple experiment demonstrates a powerful force used in everything from centrifuges to roller coasters. For our final experiment, we're doing the parachute drop. This is one of the most exciting and educational experiments you can try at home. This experiment is about air resistance and how different parachute designs affect the speed and trajectory of a falling object. By understanding these principles, you can see how real-life parachutes are engineered for safety and efficiency. The design of a parachute can have a huge impact on its effectiveness. Factors like shape, size, and material all play crucial roles in how well a parachute performs. A larger surface area creates more air resistance, slowing the parachute down. This is why parachutes are typically large and wide. For this experiment, you'll need plastic bags, fabric scraps, string, tape, scissors, and small weights like coins or washers. These materials are easy to find and perfect for crafting your own parachutes. Start by designing and constructing different parachutes using the materials you have. Be creative and try out various designs to see which works best. Experiment with different shapes, round, square, rectangular, sizes, and materials. Each variation will give you different results and insights. Find a safe place to drop your parachutes from, and time how long it takes each one to reach the ground. Make sure the area is clear of obstacles and safe for your experiment. Observe how the different parachute designs affect the descent speed and trajectory. Take notes on which designs perform the best. Does a larger parachute fall slower? Test your hypotheses and see if your predictions hold true. Does a rectangular parachute glide more smoothly than a round one? Compare the different shapes and their performance. Add challenges to your experiment by adding wind or obstacles to the drop zone. This will help you understand how external factors affect parachute performance. This experiment teaches you about air resistance, parachute design, and the physics of falling objects. It's a fun way to learn about science and engineering. Who knows? Maybe this will inspire you to build your own parachute someday. Take to the skies and explore the wonders of flight. So there you have it, 5 awesome science fair projects that'll have you feeling like a physics wizard in no time. Remember, science is all about exploring the world around us and asking questions. Don't be afraid to get creative, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. Which of these projects are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science experiments and adventures. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.